Hey guys, first video, me and right there. We've been hearing these squeaks, and we've been hearing them in here, so we're gonna open this. Go ahead and open it. See what's inside. Holy frick! Oh my god! Holy crap! What is in that, dude? Open it. Oh! Oh! Sick! Oh, dude, that's sick. Oh, that little guy just.
Did the little baby fall out?
Do you see this right now? Do you see this? I am putting him back in. Okay. Oh, frick. Frick. Put it down. Put it down.
Oh,
Go.
look, there's poopy.
Just go. Just go. Just go. Frick. Put it down. Holy frick, guys. Okay. That was our first video. Thanks for watching.